So check it out. We picked out the snow town, and you can pick one of the vehicles, and just by using your finger, make the vehicle drive around. Cool, huh? So you picked the fire engine. What are some of the places in the town that you think are important?
That's the ambulance.
You notice that there's an ambulance. Cool. Cool. So we're driving around the town. If you were to think about, can I take control for a second? If you were to think about what some of the important places are in the town, what do you notice about the buildings? What kind of places are there?
Like the store.
Yep, they have stores. Okay.
Carnival.
Yep, they have a carnival. It looks like it's a carnival that includes ice skating as well. Okay. Let's see what else they have. What do you think this is for?
Haircut. Gas.
Yep.
Just a normal parking thing.
Great. So we have a gas station. So as we drive around, there's different problems that we have to solve also. What do you notice?
There's a fire.
There's a fire. So we brought the vehicle over there. It just happened to pop up that there was a fire, and we solved the problem. Cool. All right. So when we have a fire, we need the fire truck to come. So this app is great because different problems pop up, and students need to figure out what vehicle they can bring over to solve the problem, and there can be a lot of opportunity to talk about what's going on the screen.